Humans love to think they have fixed personalities, that they're just the way they are, but that's the biggest lie they tell themselves. Because humans are the most adaptable creatures on the planet. Drop them in chaos and they adjust. Change their environment and they evolve. Their identity isn't fixed. It's fluid. This is day 5 of Decoding Human Nature. And that's exactly how you control them. You don't change people by force, you change their environment. Want someone to be more disciplined? Surround them with discipline. Want someone to be more dependent? Make them rely on you, little by little, until they can't function without you. Because here's the secret, people don't even realize they're changing. They think they're making their own choices, when in reality, they're just adapting to the world you've built around them.